mane ne jaod bura machon mar Rida Migosi Nicholas Gumbo sanindi korore ayanga kod od bura endo mar UDM kakoro maendi kore mobro tiyo godo mar manyo mano endo kom mar gavana e dwe mar aboro mar higanindi e kaunti no endo ma Siaya. Gumbo mabende norwako jodito mag bende od bura endo ne olero ni koro mane mabutiyo godo achiel kachiel ma mondo mikoro gidhi nyime gita weche gweko mag Siaya. Esechego gweko jogo mabende koro gin jodito mag od bura mar UDM no wacho ni en kinde makare nikech koro ODM be ochungo jomoko e gwenge gweko mag Nyandwat ma Kenya, koro UDM bende koro nitie gwenge gweko mag Nyanza, omiyo en wach maber ahinya mar piem ma demokrasia e piny Kenya.
Independence but supporting Raila and others. The same way the prevailing democratic space is going to be fostered in other regions in order to make sure that collectively all parties are doing the fielding of candidates, and it's the right of every candidate to get his ticket once you have applied properly through the party structures. So we are in Luo Nyanza, and Luo Nyanza ODM are in northern Kenya, and that is the answer. Thank you very much.
Before you leave on that point,
yes.
Isn't that likely to compromise your numbers in parliament, considering that that is where the government mostly is run? If you have the candidate Wiper and PFP, UDM are competing, there's a possibility that your opponent will pass katikati yao.
Well, we've been here as politicians before. Any democracy that does not have competition is not a democracy. You know that. And there are strong candidates in various regions that are vying with different parties. The purpose of Azimio la Umoja ni kuhakikisha in that family the MPs, the senators, the women rep, the governors that are coming in through Azimio will remain as a bloc to help run the government smoothly after the next general election, after the August 8th and August 9th. That is